morning, this is Frank Contesky with MarineMax. I'm here to show you our 2020 Sea Ray 270 sun deck. As you can see on the swim platform, we have the gray sea deck. What's nice about this boat, we actually have that sea deck moving all the way throughout the boat. The hull side color is a blue with a gray metallic. This is also Sea Ray's brand new stone interior. It's a gray, light gray color with a darker gray border around the outside. On the swim platform here, you have your sun pad, cup holders on the right hand side, or port side, 12 volt here, and on the starboard side you have a Fusion stereo remote, and you can actually control the drive up and down as well, and then a freshwater washdown when you're stepping on board. Moving into the cockpit, here you can see the snap-in carpeting, real nice and light, and it's easy on your feet. On the sun deck line, you have all hinged cushions. You're not messing around with them when you're underway, they're not falling out. And in here you actually have a Dometic chiller. This is an insulated cooler, so you can turn the chiller on if you forget ice. On the port side here, you can see the bow filler cushion that actually will fill in the entire bow area. Moving forward at the helm, we have a nice 9-inch flush-mounted Simrad screen. Again, another flush-mounted Fusion screen. Your light switches, windlass, anchor, water pump, bilge pump, and a blower. On the port side, you have a nice roomy head. You do get a port window in there, which is nice. Doesn't feel as claustrophobic. Moving forward, I'll let Pete step through. This is that bow area where you do have that bow filler cushion. Nice forward-facing loungers with armrests. Here we have our windlass access. Windlass, freshwater washdown again if you want to wash out that anchor because it's got too much mud on it. Nav lights on each side. One thing we didn't discuss is the nice sports tower. So with this, you have the ability to tow off of here. So there's no tow pole in the back. You can tow from right up here. It's got a nice white arch with the blue canvas. If you have any more questions about this boat or any other boat that MarineMax offers, feel free to visit us at our showroom in Brick or online at marinemax.com. Thank you.